Right, so I have a question. Alpha and beta are the coefficients of x power 4 and x square respectively in the expansion of x plus under root of x square minus 1 whole to the power 6 plus x minus under root of x square minus 1 whole to the power 6. Then we have to find alpha plus beta or alpha minus beta. So we have to find the coefficients of x power 4 and x square. So, okay, so here in this we have two binomial terms raised to the power 6, x plus under root of x square minus 1 and x minus under root of x square plus 1. So if you see basically out is same, only here we have plus, here we have a minus sign. So the expansion formula for a binomial expression is of raised to the power n is basically nc0 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 x to the power n nc0 x to the power n and y to the power, sorry, it's ncr x to the power n and y to the power n minus r, y to the power n minus r. So we have to find the coefficients of x to the power 4 and x square. So for that we will be looking only at n equal to 4, n equal to 4 or n minus r equals to 4. So we'll be looking at x to the power 6, then we'll be looking at x to the power 4. X to the power 4 is like when x is 4, so what would be r? R would be 6 minus 4, which is 2. So first one we have nc0, which is 6c0, x to the power n, x to the power 6, y to the power n minus r, which is 0. So this whole term becomes 0. Then we have 6c2 nc2, so we have 6c2 x to the power n minus r, which is 6 minus 2 4, and y to the power r, which is under root of x square minus 1, this whole square, this root goes away, so this is x square minus 1. Then next is 64 nc4 x to the power n minus r, 6 minus 4 gives us 2, and then we have x square minus 1 whole to the power 2. Then we have nc6, which is 6c6, and we have x to the power n minus r, 6 minus 6 is 0, so this initial term disappears. We have x to the power under root x square minus 1 whole to the power 6 by 3, which is 6 by 2, which is 3. So this is it. So this was for one term. This was for just the expansion of this one, this expression. Then we also have this expression, but similarly we'll be doing for the same one. So we simply multiply it by 2. So then we solve this all. It comes out to be 32 x to the power 6 minus 48 x to the power 4 plus 18 x square minus 1. And then we multiply it by 2, so it becomes 2 into 32, which is 94, which is 64, and 48 into 2, which is 96, and coefficient of x to the power 4, so alpha becomes minus of 96, and 18 x squared into 2, which is 36, which is the coefficient for beta. This is the coefficient of x squared, which will be beta, which is beta equal to 36. Basically alpha minus beta tends to be minus 132, so this is the answer.